the digital clock glows, August 27th, in the dimly lit living room. Father, Miha, and Hussein huddle together, a conspiracy of joy brewing in their eyes. Father leans forward, whispering, "Tomorrow is Mama's birthday. We need to do something special." Mira's eyes widen with excitement. "We'll give her a surprise." Hussein claps his hands, shouting, "Cake!" The soft lamp illuminates their faces, each lost in the sweet plot of a birthday surprise. In the quiet of the late night, Mirha meticulously crafts a birthday card. With heartfelt dedication, she pens a tender message. "Mama, you are our light." Meanwhile, the father meticulously wraps a small gift, his touch gentle and precise. Hussein, lost in his own world of creativity, scribbles hearts with innocent abandon. In the soft light of early morning, the mother enters the living room, her eyes still heavy with sleep. Her sleepy gaze transforms into wide-eyed surprise as she surveys the festive decorations. "Happy birthday, Mama!" Mira and Hassan shout in unison, their voices filled with joy and excitement. Streamers and balloons dance in the gentle morning breeze, painting the room with a vibrant celebratory aura. The small cake sits on the table, its candles flickering like tiny beacons of love and warmth.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.